Building products in the digital space is very different from traditional product development. You need a blend of expertise on your team in order to be successful. Taking a product idea from concept to reality requires you to have a creative design team, a savvy technical team to architect and build it right, a thorough QA team to verify that it meets the requirements, and then before you go to market, you need security experts who can make sure that the product adheres to the latest security practices and regulations. You also need a skilled DevOps team so that you can go to market and it can go live with all the resources it needs. And they can also help you maintain the product and grow the product. All of this requires immaculate orchestration. This is where product delivery managers come in. I'm one of the product delivery managers at 10 Pearls. I've been with the company for 10 plus years now. Product delivery managers play a pivotal role in the success of a product. We wear multiple hats at the same time. We are product owners, scrum masters, project managers, and business analysts. We ensure that product is developed with a one team mindset and everybody understands each other during product development. So at the end of the day, it's my job as a product delivery manager to make sure that the team is operating efficiently and the product gets delivered as originally planned.